Tired of dealing with annoying flies, fruit flies, and gnats in your home? The Zevo Flying Insect Trap is your ultimate solution. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description now to get your Zevo Flying Insect Trap on Amazon and enjoy a bug-free home today.
9 heat alerts are in place across England as the UK enjoys a rare heat wave, with elderly people and those with health conditions particularly at risk. Many will welcome the sunshine after weeks of an extraordinarily disappointing summer. But for those over 65, the warm weather can be hard to cope with, especially in a country where air conditioning is scarce. The government is preparing for a spike in heat-related deaths, as bodies must work harder to stay at a safe temperature, making heart attacks and strokes more likely. This effect begins to kick in above 25 degrees Celsius or 26 degrees Celsius, with around 2,000 deaths in hot weather each year on average in England. Yellow alerts for significant impacts from heat are in place for London, the South East, South West, East of England, West Midlands, East Midlands, and Yorkshire and the Humber. Green alerts for minor impacts are in place for the North East and North West. The UK Health Security Agency warned of the yellow areas. Significant impacts are possible across the health and social care sector due to the high temperatures. Increased deaths are likely, they said, particularly for the elderly and for those with health conditions. But impacts may also be seen in younger age groups. There would likely be increased demand for remote healthcare services, while temperatures in hospitals and care homes could go above the threshold recommended in clinical risk assessments. To get the latest news from the capital, visit usnews.com, UK's London news hub. Many indoor areas are likely to overheat, making it more difficult for people to work. This could lead to increased risk to vulnerable people living independently in the community as well as in care settings. Girl, 9, killed in Southport stabbings, named as family pay tribute to princess. Stick fight breaks out between hikers after dad tried to cross stepping stones with pram. Pensioner, 73, arrested after 2 ended up in hospital and witnesses had to strip. Elizabeth Line in chaos after severe disruption on the tube. If you have family, friends, or neighbors who are isolated or may be at an increased risk, check they are able to keep cool during a heat wave. As well as the heat warnings, the Met Office issued warnings for thunderstorms tomorrow and on Thursday, saying there is the potential for danger to life, floods and travel disruption after the hot conditions break. Get in touch with our news team by emailing us at webnews@metro.co.uk. For more stories like this, check our news page. More travel warnings for UK holidaymakers as deadly heatwave grips Greece and Italy. More Elizabeth Line in chaos after severe disruption on the tube. More girl, 6, who vanished from estate in her pajamas found safe and well. Privacy policy.